Kainin mo. Yummy! Sarap! So yummy. Yummy! The spoon is so yummy. Yummy? Yummy spoon? Coffee naman. Coffee naman inumin natin. Wait lang. We will get some coffee. Cian likes coffee. Diba, baby, like coffee? Diba you like coffee? We'll get this much coffee from the cup. Coffee. Yummy! Ito pa, coffee. Take note, the coffee doesn't have sugar. And it's so tapang. Oh, yummy, yummy. Here! Coffee? Coffee. Kinilig.